Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete your watch history on Facebook. If you're curious about how to do this, just follow along. First, launch the Facebook app on your device. Once you're in, tap on the Watch tab. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner to access your history. Here, you'll see all the videos you've watched. You might notice that tapping the three lines doesn't give you the option to delete your watch history directly. So, it's important to be aware that, as of now, this method doesn't allow for deletion. But don't worry, there's another way to do it through your settings. Tap on your profile or the menu icon, then go to Settings. From there, navigate to Privacy and Settings. Once you're in, find the Privacy Shortcuts option. Now, scroll down to find your Facebook information and tap on Access Your Information. Here, select the option to view your activity across Facebook. Then tap on the videos you've watched. If you want to delete your history, just tap on See More to view all the videos. You can either select each video individually or choose Clear Video Watch History to delete everything at once. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more tutorials.